If you feel invisible in your 9 to 5, it isn't because you are lazy. Neither is it because you are not talented or you are not skilled. It is because you are not visible. Opportunities follows visibility. Clients follows visibility. Growth follow visibility. Jobs follows visibility. You get to be visible, and to be visible you need to think about building your personal brand, a brand that showcases your knowledge, your expertise, your creativity. Build your online brand, build your personal brand to get visible, to attract clients, to get opportunities, and to get the jobs that can build your dream life and build you.